If your Android TV is running extremely slow, with ads all over your face, all you need to do is press the home button and boom! The same Android device is now turned into a beast. Zero adverts, no lagging or buffering. With the help of this custom launcher, you can now take full control of your Android boxes and reduce the excessive clutter on your homepage, which will reduce the burden on device, and it will feel brand new again. So in this video, I'll show you how to set this custom launcher on your device and make it your default home screen. Firstly, we'll need to enable a simple setting called ADB Debugging. You'll find it under the Settings tab. We'll go to System and then About. Now go all the way to the bottom and click on Android TV OS build and about 7 to 8 times. That's when you'll see the message you are now a developer. Okay, head back once and when scrolling down you'll see Developers Options, which will allow you to get to some of the advanced settings. Now find the option USB Debugging and turn it on. Now let's head over to the Downloader app to install 2 of the main apps we need for this tutorial. Type this code 730116, which is essentially a short code for my website where you'll find all the apps that you ever wanted. There are different categories for apps, that's why we'll need to scroll down and find the Utility Apps category and install our first app, which is the Launcher Manager. Now, as for our second app, you can install any custom launcher of your choice, but for this tutorial, I will install the Wolf Launcher, which is again in the same apps category. Alright, since we have both of our apps installed, let's head over and check out the custom launcher we just installed. So as you can see, there are no adverts, no content recommendations. Just your apps neatly categorized. You can even customize the background and the layout, but I will let you do that on your own. Right now, the main problem is that whenever you press the home button, you are again thrown back to the Google TV home screen, which is a bit annoying. This is where our second app will come in handy. Here inside the Launcher Manager, you'll basically see 3 options like Enable Custom Launcher, Disable Custom Launcher, and Launcher Options. We'll first need to select Custom Launcher Options. Now you'll need to select the active launcher that you want to set. So in my case, let's select the Wolf Launcher. Now change the handler status to active, head back and now select Enable Custom Launcher. Allow network debugging and there you go. Now as soon as you press the home button, you'll always be redirected to the custom launcher screen rather than the Google TV screen. And because the launcher is extremely lightweight, it is going to speed up your Android device and reduce all the lag that we have to suffer. Let's check one more time. If I press the home button, I will instantly go back to the launcher. And also, even if you restart the device, you'll see the custom launcher menu. In order to disable the launcher, just select Disable Custom Launcher, and you'll be back where you started. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to share it with your friends to get their devices lag-free. Thanks for watching.